Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how you can fix the Roblox error code 1001, the possible read warning we have detected another device in your house error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So to clear out any misinformation about this error code right here, it says that this error code or the error code 1001 in a Roblox is fake as it could be. So, as confirmed through several channels and by expert, so this code is just a prank with its origins traced to TikTok. So, now coming to how it was confirmed that the Roblox error code is fake. So, the first, the grammar is all messed up. So, secondly, the early instances of the error recommended calling 911. So, as you can see here, so this is something that Roblox would never do. And third, Roblox usually has 3-digit error codes, so while this has 4. So lastly, after a detailed inspection, so some users claim that the font was also not in line with the style used by Roblox, and besides, no real player has ever encountered the error, and all such reports are baseless and simply a prank. So the Roblox error code 1001 is categorized by some so as creepypasta, a term used for user-generated fake horror content on the internet, but it's undoubtedly one of the scariest Roblox error. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.